What's up, everyone? Jay here, and in this video, I told Manus AI to build my website. You won't believe what it did. I took my YouTube channel, which I'm going to show you in a second, just a bunch of videos, and told AI to build a full-blown website from it. No coding, no design, just one prompt. And what happened next kind of blew my mind. Let me show you right now. Keep watching this video till the end because you're gonna want to add this tool to your arsenal. It does a lot of things that the other AIs um, AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, um, even DeepSeek, and all of them are not going to do. These Manus does high value tasks, which I'm going to show you in a second, and I'm going to show you what it created in my website. So what I use right now is this is a prompt for the YouTube channel website. I told Manus to create a sleek, mobile-friendly website based on my YouTube channel content. The site should automatically pull in and organize videos from my channel name. Make it feel like a personal brand site for a digital marketer and AI entrepreneur. Include a homepage, video gallery, about section, and a contact form. Use a modern, clean design with bold call to action buttons, encouraging people to watch more videos and sign up for free tools. Now, this kind of stuff you're not going to be able to do with ChatGPT. You might be able to do it if you're on that $200 a month plan, which most people can't afford. I'm a ChatGPT Plus member. You can see right there in the corner. I love ChatGPT. Does a lot. Use it almost daily. But Manus can do a lot of high-powered things. Like I said, it's like having your own virtual assistant working for you, and you don't got to pay it. It's basically free. So, and they do have free plans here, which I'm going to show you in a second. I'll go over a couple of the plans near the end of this video. But let's dive into it. If you like what you see, you want to check out Manus for yourself. It is free. You get 300 credits a day, and they renew after every 24 hours. They do have paid plans. If you want to up your credits, you can do that also. That's up to you. I have the free plan as of now. I've been using it about a month. I'm going to upgrade to the paid plan. But let me show you. Let me get into what this did. This is the website it created. I didn't want to bore you and create the video and have you sit through everything that it's doing here. But this is all what it does. It tells you exactly what it's doing to deliver a website to user. And that's after I put that prompt in I just showed you. Start the development server, testing the URL. You can read through all these, what it's doing. And then it gives you a link. I've successfully created your sleek, mobile-friendly website based on your YouTube channel content. The website is now live and accessible at, and it gives you a link. That's fine and dandy. A lot of YouTubers out there, they'll show you what it creates, but they're not going to show you how to actually use it. In this video, I asked ChatGPT this question. That's fine. I got this nice YouTube, website built on top of my YouTube channel. How do I use it? How do I put it on my WordPress blog? How do I do this with it? Give me some options of how I can actually use it. I don't want to use this little crappy link that they give you. I got that covered for you here in a second. I'm actually going to probably put this on my one of my websites. Haven't decided which one yet, but I'm going to definitely use this. But here's what it came up with. All you do is click on this. This is a link here, and they give you all the different options here. Okay, now it's saying it's unavailable. Let's go back here. Put this here. Say wake up. Oh, it's sleeping, that's why. Temporary website is waking up. So let's see here. Let's wait a second. I must have let it sit for too long. And here we go here. Let's try this one more time. And here we go. All right, this is what Manus created for me from that prompt. It took a little while, it was like 20 minutes, but you just sit back, relax, do something else, come back when it's done, and you're good to go. Depending on how complex the task is how long it's going to take. But this is what it created for me. You got a home page, what you'll learn. This is my instant email funnel generator. You're going to want to check that out. Links are going to be directly below for all this. I got 20 free tools, AI marketing tools. You're going to definitely want to get your hands on these. But the links are going to be directly below. And it's got all my videos. It's got view all videos. Look what this did. It says you got a watch on YouTube button, when it was published. It's got a home videos about. It's a beautiful web page. It's even got the bottom filled out. 2025 JGPT, all rights reserved. Free AI tools. And this is my site, instantsalesfunnels.com. These are my 20 free tools right here. Grab them because they're awesome. And this is my storytelling email generator. Saves you a lot of time. That's why I built this. And it creates excellent emails. But we're going to go back. And then you got AI tools here. And it's categorizing all your videos into different sections. YouTube growth, automation, all videos right here, about. It even tells you about me, like from my YouTube channel, my subscribers, how many videos I got, areas of expertise, contact page. How cool is this? This is what you cannot do this with ChatGPT for free. It doesn't give you access to do all this. So the one thing that separates Manus, let me stop this real quick and let me tell you what Manus is exactly, and then we're going to go back and I'm going to dive into this a little deeper. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent that can independently perform complex online tasks without continuous human guidance. It's designed to be a general AI agent that can handle various tasks across work and life. Manus utilizes multiple AI models and independently operating agents to execute tasks autonomously. And then here's a more detailed look. Complex task execution, multiple AI models, intelligent task planning. This thing is crazy good at what it can do. We're going to go back here, and this is this is what it built me. We can now, if I want to do another tool, let me go back to, we're going to go to ChatGPT right now, and we're going to see if I find that second prompt. I'm going to put it in here. Don't know if I have enough credits for it to finish it, but we're going to find out. So you can actually see it working in this video. And then we're going to get, actually, let's do this first. These are the prompts right here. I'm going to paste this in here, and then we're going to come back. I just want to show you it working live, but I got something better to show you. You're going to want to know how to actually use your website once you create it, like I said at the beginning of this video. So what we're going to do now is go over to ChatGPT. I asked it the same question because I was curious. I don't see HTML code. Usually you take the HTML code, put it in, and then your website will show up as is. I don't see an option for that. So it gives you options here. I asked it, can I add as a page in my WordPress site? I don't see HTML. Yep, you can totally add your Manus made site as a page on your WordPress site, even without direct HTML access, or move myself up there, by using an iframe block or plugin. Here's how to do it step by step. Option A, add your Manus site as a page using the Gutenberg block editor. If you're using the default WordPress editor, it tells you how to do it. Log into WordPress, go to your dashboard, click pages, add new, or edit an existing page. Add a custom HTML block. Click the plus button to add a block. Search for custom HTML. Paste this. And it just gives you this little code here, an iframe. And then you go back, you replace the source URL with your actual Manus link, which would be right here. That's your Manus link to your site right here. So you take this link and put it into that code there, and you're good to go. Preview it. Hit preview to see what it looks like. Publish the page. Now your Manus site is inside your own WordPress site, clean and branded. So how cool is that? Option B, you can use a plugin if HTML block doesn't work. Go to plugins, add new, search for iframe, install one like advanced iframe or iframe by Web Vitally. After activating, says use a shortcode. Add that shortcode on any page or post. It works just like embedding a YouTube video. And it gives you a tip to make it look native. So there are options where you can put this on your own site pretty easily. So don't get discouraged by that. I thought I'd show this. This is pretty important because a lot of people don't want to use their, that link there. They want to have it on their own site. That's how you do it. So you just ask ChatGPT, or you can ask Manus, whatever AI model. How do I add this link that Manus created a YouTube website for me? How do I add it on my WordPress site? Yada, yada, yada. But, or you can come back to this video and watch what I just showed you. Let's go back here now, but that's how you do that, real easy. And this one is, we're going to create a high converting landing page for a free lead magnet called the AI Toolkit Vault. The goal of the page is to capture emails from my 20 free marketing tools. And this is what I was talking about earlier. Use strong direct response copy, social proof, urgency, and a clean layout. Target audience is, and then it tells you the target audience and gives you the call to action buttons for the link to place in there as well. We're going to click enter here, and we're going to see if this finishes up. It might do it, it might not, but it's going to be the same basic philosophy. It's going to create a landing page, and it's telling you what it's doing right here. So I can show you this working. Viewing browser, and it's going to go through all the steps, and when it's done, it'll deliver it just like it did right here. And you can deploy it permanently. It says right here. Okay, I didn't know that. And so you can hit deploy permanently, make that link permanent, and then you can put it on your website. We're going to do that right now. Let's see if that works. Whoops. And these are the plans that guided me back over here. Basic, 16 a month, tells you what you get. 33 a month, pro. All you need is a basic one, probably, if you want to go up. Depends on what you want to do. But you want to check this out. Links below. You get 300 credits every day, so you could do one or two. You basically do one high-value task, and you could do a number of low-value tasks for free. So it depends how much you're going to be using this. And we're going to go back, if I can get back. Here we go. So it says you don't have enough credits to continue. So it gives you 300 a day. That building that website took all the credits for the day. So that's that. So that's all I'm going to be able to do for today. But this landing page, I can keep it here. It started doing it. When it refreshes, Central Time for me, I get it at 7 o'clock tomorrow. So I can finish this up tomorrow and have a landing page. I already got some, but I was just using this as a demo. But even if you're using a landing page builder, this can speed up the process considerably. But it does that. It creates PDFs, and it gives you a link to download the PDF. It does. If you want any high-value tasks done that ChatGPT can do or other large language models, Manus is definitely one to check out. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Shoot a comment in the comment section. I'd appreciate it if you got any questions about Manus. I've been using it a month. I'm fairly new to it, but I've been messing around with it, a little bit to get familiarized with myself quite a bit to know that I'm probably going to end up buying this because it's pretty cool. But if you got any questions, yeah, shoot me a message directly below in the video comment section. And if you want to check these out for yourself, see the links directly below. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.